All of the nerves in your body that are outside of the brain and spinal cord make up the peripheral nervous system. It relays information between your brain and your extremities, such as your arms, hands, legs, or feet. It includes the cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and their roots and branches, peripheral nerves, and neuromuscular junctions. The anterior horn cells, although technically part of the central nervous system, CNS, are sometimes discussed with the peripheral nervous system because they are part of the motor unit. In the peripheral nervous system, bundles of nerve fibers or axons conduct information to and from the central nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is the part of the nervous system concerned with the innervation of involuntary structures, such as the heart, smooth muscle, and glands within the body. It is distributed throughout the central and peripheral nervous systems. Neurons have special structures that allow them to send signals rapidly and precisely to other cells. They send these signals in the form of electrochemical impulses traveling along thin fibers called axons, which can be directly transmitted to neighboring cells through electrical synapses or cause chemicals called neurotransmitters to be released at chemical synapses.